Hello, my name is Roland Poor, and on behalf of my team, I am going to be speaking about Volkswagen information security structure. Why does Volkswagen need security? As as newer cars get smarter, so does the newer criminals. Cyber criminals are now able to remotely control the steering, acceleration, and brakes of a car. Therefore, a security measure had to be put in place to be able to prevent these criminals from accessing these features on the car as a person drives. Volkswagen and Cymotive cybersecurity company. Volkswagen recently teamed up with an Israelite information security company called Cymotive to build a top-notch cybersecurity expert team to be able to address the challenges posed by malware, ransomware, spyware, ransomware and spyware. It was recently disclosed that there was a way to clone VW files from any of the VW model that was made from anywhere from 2000 to the year 2016. And that is my segment on information security as it relates to Volkswagen. Thank you.